Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you where in your drive the documents that the students turn in live when you upload from a cloud. So what I mean, I showed this in a previous video, but so you go to assignments, which is where I'm at. You go to new assignment. I'm just gonna type in, this is Prologue 1. And I don't know how to spell. And then I'm gonna just write directions. Points, we're gonna keep it that. It's gonna be online module. So remember, your drive lives in an external tool. So you're gonna go to external and then you're gonna find it. So when you go to find it, you're gonna go to Google Assignments. And then your work account should pop up. Hit continue. Then you're gonna attach it. So again, I have these steps in a different video, and I am going to pick my daily journal. So this is also very beneficial if you want something that the students can constantly go back to and modify. Each student will get a copy. So in science, we use this, it would be for like a virtual journal that at the end of the unit, they'll turn in with all their notes, graphic organizers, copied and pasted on there. I'm not going to add a rubric right now, but if it was a virtual journal like that, there would be a rubric involved. So hit create. And then I'm going to hit select. Don't forget to hit select, because if you don't, then you'll have to do that whole process all over again. I'm going to do unlimited because it's going to be a journal. So maybe they constantly turn it in after an assignment and I want to check. Then I'm going to go to finish, save and publish. Now it's going. I'm going to wait a minute because it's loading up here. So now I'm going to go to my drive. So now where it lives on your drive, there's an automatic folder that populates that's called assignments. So you go in here. Now this is my workroom. And this is the new assignment that I just put up. So Prologue 1, I open it here. And I don't have anything here because I haven't opened it up with any students. So I'm going to show you when a student opens it up. So I'm going to change view to student view. I'm going to go to assignments, Prologue 1. I'm going to switch account to a student account. So now the copy has been made. So once the student opens it, so right here, Chaparral Instructional Specialist, so that's the student name would go here, and the name of the assignment title right here. So now let's go back to the drive. Let's refresh this. And voila, it's right here. So this is where the student's journal would be. Okay. Thank you for watching.